Here's how to show what game you're playing on Discord mobile application. So first of all, go ahead and launch your Discord application and log into your account, whether you're using your iPhone or Android. Then tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now select the gear icon in the top right to go to your settings. From the settings page, you need to select content and social, which is in the account settings section between account and data and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on server defaults, which is under the server settings. Now choose a specific game that you want to display. For example, let's go ahead and select Valorant. And you will see the active status option, which is indicating share your activity status on the server. Go ahead and toggle the icon and you'll be done. Once you've turned the switch on, it will show everyone on that server that you're playing that game. Remember that you can return to these settings to enable activity status for other games as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.